Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with T. You are here for your 1-year follow-up, and what an incredible result. How happy are you?
Man, I'm ecstatic. I almost forgot how bald I was. I can't stop saying that or whatever. I love it. Confidence, freedom, fresh air. I'm good.
And night and day difference. You looked at your before pictures just now, and I'm in shock, but you look amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, I almost forgot how I felt to go to a barbershop to even get something lined up or whatever, because I was so used to covering it for so long or whatever. So now it's a lot more freedom and everything. Now I can breathe.
Incision site, any problems with the incision site?
Oh no.
And you still do a great fade with it.
Yeah. Try to keep it perfect, and hey, I'm happy, man.
And your family members that know that you had it done?
Oh yeah, they was there from the whole start. You know, my mom, like, she couldn't even look at my head. She was so nervous at first, you know, when I first got the surgery and everything. But yeah, my family is ecstatic because everybody's got hair and I was the only one with half hair. So it was like, okay, I got to join the crew.
We got you hair back. Well,
thank
you did it. I thank you so much for volunteering to do a video for us.
Sure thing.
Again, I'm Dr. Siegel. Here I am with T. Amazing results. So happy for you. Wear it in health. Enjoy it and wash it and brush it. Whatever you have to do with it. Go swimming with it.
Yeah.
You have a new hairstyle. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.